Yan. Hi, Jada and Dylan. I believe this is your first time working together, di ba? And of course, Jada, this is your first Viva One project, and Dylan, this is one of your biggest roles yet. How did you work on your chemistry para mapalabas sila Loki at, of course, yung character ni Jada?
Well, in terms of working on our chemistry, I think right off the bat naman, nung sa ano pa lang yun yung teaser shoot. Actually, that was the first time that Dylan and I had met. I think we made it a point na we were able to chat and really talk about each other's background, tsaka yung mga shared interests natin. Like, we both enjoy music and also, as related to Project Loki, syempre, pinag-usapan namin yung mga characters namin. And I think dun sa habang nasa journey kami in understanding our characters, we understand each other more. So, ayun, siguro yun yung part ng process namin. And sa tingin ko po parang every time na nagkakasama kami pag anything Project Loki, I think mas nade-develop talaga yun ng natural. It's not something that I personally felt was very difficult for it to happen. I feel like it just happened organically.
Yes, actually I agree. Hello po. Thank you for that question po. I actually agree with Jada. We worked sa teaser, sa look test, and yesterday sa pictorial. And every time na we get to work, yun nga, parang it develop yung chemistry namin. Hindi naman planado yung ganun mga moments pero it just happens, it just builds, it grows, and yun, very thankful kasi sa unang meet pa lang namin ni Jada, ang gaan niya kasama, and for sure, magaan din siya katrabaho. Naalala ko first time namin teaser sa teaser video, nag-TikTok agad kami. So parang naging comfy na kami sa isa't isa. So that's a good sign. It's a good sign, guys. So, yun po.